Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have benzodiazepines. Right. These benzodiazepines are actually we have hypnotic. These benzodiazepines are hypnotics. These hypnotics, the benzodiazepines which can be used in hypnotics, that is in order to produce drowsiness and which induces sleep are hypnotics. So inducing sleep or drowsiness or hypnotics are the drugs. The drugs which are used as hypnotics are diazepam, flurazepam, nitrazepam, alprazolam, temazepam, triazolam. Okay, so these can be used as hypnotics. Then the drugs which can be used as anticonvulsants are the drugs which are used as anticonvulsants include we can use diazepam, clonazepam, lorazepam, clobazepam, nitrazepam, clorazepate. So these can be used as anticonvulsants. The drugs which can be used as anti-anxiety agents are the drugs which are used as anti-anxiety agents are diazepam, chlordiazepoxide, oxazepam, lorazepam can be used as an anti-anxiety drug, and alprazolam can be used as an anti-anxiety drug.
thank you and thank you for watching.